Hi, all my Classics 1110 friends. This is an update on your final. Sorry, trying not to mute myself. Um, your final is going to be tomorrow, which is Wednesday. Um, I have had to alter what I originally announced to you concerning the format of your final. Um, I don't know if you noticed, some of you surely will have, but Blackboard crashed today. The Brooklyn College Blackboard crashed today. And I mean, I, there goes all my plans, basically, more or less. So I know I told you that you would not be having to write essays. I know my original plans were that it would be a multiple choice exam, just like the first midterm. That it's not feasible anymore. There's no way to do it anymore. Um, Anytime uh, there is high demand for Blackboard, it crashes, and I can't take the chance on that. So there are many of you, most of you, I should say, who took the midterm and who will take the final. And as I said earlier, I'll take the higher of your two grades. For those of you who only took one of the exams, sorry. And um, right. So, to the exam for tomorrow, um, it's going to be a series of short answer questions. You're not going to have to write all that much. Um, I'll put specific parameters on the exam when I post it tomorrow morning. After I think about it a little more, I'm sorry, I've been staring at a freaking screen for 8 hours today, so if I seem a little discombobulated, that's why. Um, uh, I mean, yeah, and it'll cover the material. There'll only be questions that cover the material that we read after the first midterm. Um, so you don't worry about going back and revising Homer and Thucydides. You know, that's done. We're out of that now. It's Aeschylus, Sophocles, Euripides, Aristophanes, Plato, and Virgil now. So that's all fair game. And the questions that I will ask you will probably require you to write around 3 or 4 paragraphs. I'll pitch them in such a way that you can that if you understand the question, you'll be able to answer the question, and if you haven't studied the question, you won't be. Okay, but like I said, I'm not setting a 2 hour window uh, for the exam. I'm going to give you a bit more time to do that, because if I set the 2 hour window and you don't log on, then you're like, yeah, then you're out of luck. Um, so yeah, um, I'm still working through this thing, but that's the decision that I've come to, is that you're gonna need be prepared to answer short answer questions, and by short answer I mean you need to be able to construct an argument in 2, 3, 4 paragraphs. I'm not looking for doctoral dissertations on these questions. I'm just looking to make sure that you touch all the bases individually. And I mean, if Blackboard is working again by tomorrow, I'm going to have you submit them through what used to be called Safe Assign. I think it's now called Turn It In or something like that. Um, uh, but if it's not, it doesn't matter anyway. I will catch you if you cheat. I have a very particular set of skills, so don't cheat. Um, I don't know what else to say. Um, this just sucks, and I'm gonna have to read 300 essays over the next week. So, however bad you think you have it, well, I mean, outside of hopefully nobody is sick, and hopefully nobody in anybody's family is sick. No one in my family is sick, and I'm not sick. So I'm I feel very lucky and very fortunate about all that. So please don't think. I mean, I'm not trying to be unsympathetic, but it is part of my job to make sure that you uh, get what you pay for. And if you paid for one of my classes, this is what you get. So I want to know. I just want to make sure that you've read and invested and just done your work. Is all I need to know. Okay. So you'll hear from you. Seashells by the seashore. You'll hear from me again tomorrow. I'll get another video out to you in the morning, and then I'll see. I'm sorry. I haven't. I never did this. I haven't done this in class yet. I've never broken up my French. I'm very good at French. Uh, uh, I tested out at diplomatic level and all that stuff, and so I'm going to break out a little bit of French here. Okay, so if it seems wrong to you, then please pardon my French. Blackboard is fucked, and so I'm going to try my best. I'm going to try to use Blackboard because I know that's just easier for you. It's easier for me too because you can just send all your papers to or your exams to Blackboard and they're all in that one place. If I have to have you email them to me, then I get a zillion other emails from the provost and the IT department and a bunch of spam stuff that I get, and I got to sift through it all and there's a danger of me missing it. So I'm going to try to work it through Blackboard tomorrow. I hope to be able to get it done, but you need to stay posted, okay? So you're going to get your exams tomorrow. The due date that I am thinking about right now is Friday. It might change if I'm a soft touch, so whatever. But Friday is the day. Because please be kind to me too. I have 2 other classes. I have like 90 other papers to read. Please get your work to me as quickly as you possibly can. So you are going to be writing a little bit. You are going to be writing 2 or 3 short essays. Again, I'm like, don't stress. This is not about you doing research or, writing your honors thesis or whatever parallel you want to use. It's about you showing me that you've done the work that's been assigned. That's all. You do that, you'll be fine. Okay? Good. Good night. I miss you all. I'll talk to you again all tomorrow, probably twice. And I hope you're all safe. And this all just sucks. Okay.